Hi guys, welcome to this video presentation for our meteorology subject. By the way, I am Wawi D. Agustin, BS Ed Science 3rd year. And for this video presentation, I am going to discuss the definition and the differences of weather and climate. Without further ado, let's start the discussion. First, we are going to discuss the definition of weather. So what is weather? Weather is the state of atmosphere with respect to wind, temperature, cloudiness, moisture, pressure, etc. Weather also defined as the short-term condition of the atmosphere in a given location. For example, the weather in a day can be rainy, sunny, and cloudy. But always remember that the weather can be anything on a given day. Now we are going to discuss the definition of climate. What is climate? The composite or generally prevailing weather condition of a region, as temperature, air pressure, humidity, precipitation, sunshine, cloudiness, and winds throughout the year, average over a series of years. It can also be defined as the long-term average condition of the atmosphere for a location. For example of these are the 4 seasons of the year, which is the summer, spring, winter, and autumn, which is usually experienced depends on the location of the country in the earth, because not all country in the earth can experience this 4 seasons. For example is the Philippines, which is in a tropical region of the earth. Philippines can only experience at least 2 or 3 seasons in a year, while some other places in the world can experience all these seasons, while the other can only experience at least 1 or 2 seasons in a whole year. In addition with this, weather is what's happening in the outside right here, right now. While in the climate, it is what is usually experienced in a certain location in a long period of time. Climate can be also the whole year summation of data gathered in a daily weather. Now that we are done in discussing the definition in terms of climate, we are now discussing the different factors that can affect our weather and climate. There is a lot of factors that can affect our weather and climate. But first, I am going to discuss the different factors that can affect our weather before I am going to discuss the factors that can affect the climate. These are the factors that can affect our weather. First is temperature, wind condition, humidity, cloud cover, precipitation, and lastly, the air pressure. And all these factors are constantly changes up and down. Climate, on the other hand, affected by different factors. It is affected by latitude, proximity to water or how close you are to the water, mountain ranges, elevation, ocean current, or you are in a particular wind and pressure belt. Climate is truly affected in many factors as is weather. All of these factors get together to give us a snapshot or a hint of what is happening at a particular instant, being a weather, and over a long period of time, being a climate. Now that we are done discussing the definition and factors that can affect our weather, we can now easily differentiate the weather and the climate. Again, weather is a short-term average condition of the atmosphere, while the climate is the long-term average condition of the atmosphere. We need to know this all information because of the climate change. But I am not going to discuss this because this will be the next topic that will going to be discussed by the next presenter. I hope you've learned a lot by this simple video presentation of mine. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!